In this video, I will demonstrate a SQL injection on a vulnerable website. Since all login forms are built on top of code, we can figure out how the underlying code is structured, and then write our own code to try to log in without knowing the correct credentials. At first, we can guess the credentials and quickly see that we fail. If we try to add some special characters next, we can hopefully get more information about how the underlying code is structured. I added an apostrophe after the username and password. Hopefully, we can use the code to show an error message instead of just login failed. Notice how the colors on the code block change with that apostrophe. We now see an error message at the top of the screen. Our underlying code is written in SQL, a popular choice for storing credentials. If we take a closer look, we can see that the code fills in the empty quotes with what the user has inputted, and then checks if those credentials are then found in a database of correct credentials. If we could write a statement that will always be true, then the code will succeed every time. A popular choice for this is inputting or 1 equals 1. Since the statement evaluates to true every time, the login will succeed. If we take a closer look at what we just ran, we will then see that lines 3 and 4 will always hold true because of the injected code. An OR statement will be true as long as one of the two inputs is true. Since we don't know the correct username or password, we cannot make this first part of the statement true. We must now write a line of code that will be true every time. Since 1 is always going to equal 1, this part of the OR statement will cause the whole line to always be true. We also add 2 dashes after each statement, which will tell the code to not read anything on the line written after it.